It's your girl XO Cham here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this nice pink, fun, flirty look that I was really inspired by this top. It was so cute. I found this top on Pretty Little Thing and I just really had to have it. So if you would like to see how I achieved this pink inspired look, keep watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with priming my face with the Hourglass primer. This is a sample that I got from Sephora. This is actually one of my favorite primers right now. I'm going to color correct with the Peach Concealer by LA Girls Cosmetics and blend that out using a flat concealer brush. I'll be using my favorite Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. Using a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to blend that all over my face and into my neck a little bit to make sure that I have really flawless coverage. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's one of my favorites right now. And this is in the shade Medium 1. I'm going to use that to all the high points of my face, anywhere that I want to be highlighted. Then I'm also going to mix in some medium beige LA Girls concealer under my eyes just to tone it out a little bit and make sure that I'm blending that in very well using this damp beauty sponge. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm going to use the lightest brown shade with the gold illuminator shade. I love the way that it highlights my face in the areas that I want to contour. It's not too much. I'm just going to apply those to all the areas that I want contoured. If you need a contour video, we can do that later. I'm going to press in this translucent powder. This is going to be by LA Girls Cosmetics, and this is in the banana shade. To prime my eyes for shadow, I'm going to use the LA Girls Pro Concealer in medium beige. I'm going to blend that out using the Beauty Blender. The palette that we're using today is going to be the NYX Ultimate Palette. And I'm going to take that hot pink shade and just pack that all into my crease. Just make sure that it is packed really well. Don't worry about blending it out. We're going to do that next. Next, we're going to blend out that crease. Using this peach shade in the palette, we're going to blend upwards toward the brow bone using a fluffy blending brush, making sure that there's no harsh lines. To define my crease, I'm going to be using my favorite Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be using Love Letter to make sure that we define the crease. To illuminate our inner eyes, I'm going to be using a pigment by NYX Cosmetics into my inner eye. Now to cut my crease for my lid shade, I'm going to be using Styla glow sticks, glitter glow sticks, and I'm going to be using Sea Siren, which is a beautiful shade. And just make sure that you repeat the step on the opposite eye, cutting the crease. For my lower eye, I'm going to apply that Love Letter using a tapered brush and just go ahead and blend that into my lower eye. And for liner, I'm going to use a pink pastel liner by NYX Cosmetics. And I'm going to use that to wing out my liner on top. I love that pink. This is actually what makes it so dramatic. For mascara, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Total Tease mascara on my top and bottom lids. We're not going to be doing any falsies today. Just wasn't in the mood. But I know if I add maybe 1 or 2 coats of this, I'm squared away. I'm going to go ahead and dust off the rest of that powder. And I'm going to set my contour using this CoverGirl Cosmetics bronzer, the Queen Collection. I'm going to go ahead and set that everywhere, my cheekbones and my nose and forehead. For my lips, I'm using Bite Cosmetics Natural Pink to line my lips. And I'm going to be using this really nice purpley pink shade that I got from Black Radiance. This is a lip color. And it actually came with a lip gloss. I'll put the names in the comment section below. And for highlight, you know, it's my favorite Amrezy Glow. It's just my favorite right now. And I didn't even set my face to get this glow look, and I am loving it. And there you have it, guys. This is my pink, fun, flirty look that I'm so excited to share with you guys. If you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and all social media, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. XO Cham.